It is the final day for Rock and Roller Coaster here at Hollywood Studios. The people are lined up. I'm ready to turn the record industry upside down one more time. Rock and Roller Coaster, bidding farewell, but not completely. Let's go.
Let's rock. All right, we've been in line since 8 a.m. The park is now open, and we're heading into G-Force Records presents Rock and Roller Coaster Starring Aerosmith one last time.
I really forgot how long the whole title is.
This will probably be the longest wait we've ever had for this attraction.
Yeah, the line is, I don't know how far back it went, but I saw them walk out with the Rock and Roller Coaster line ends here sign. So
I've never seen this.
they have the extended queue up.
And by the way, there was early entry, so
Yeah, these are probably all resort
yeah.
guests.
It's now posted 110-minute wait. Like I said, I've never waited out here.
Yeah, I don't remember the last time I've seen the outdoor queue for Rock and Roller Coaster with the stanchion, with the temporary stanchions up. Oh, they're bringing us over to like the. Where are they bringing us? Or no?
I know
I am so confused with where they're
I'm
going.
confused too.
There's people going right. There's people going left.
There's a single rider.
So they're sending us over here to the villains area. I guess there's an extended queue.
Must be.
I mean, really, the Rock and Roller Coaster queue itself isn't that big.
So this is a very extended queue. They have taped down. We are back behind Tower of Terror,
We are in the extended queue for Rock and Roller Coaster.
which is behind Tower of Terror. I don't think this is an official extended queue, but there is tape on the concrete.
They have it taped off, so they are expecting big crowds here.
Yeah, there is a lot of people in line. Posted 110-minute wait right now.
I don't think it's 110. We'll see.
We'll see.
The park just opened up at 8:30 to regular guests. I'm guessing resort guests filled up the regular queue.
Yes.
And they sent regular day guests, us, over here.
Regular queue, plus I can't remember last time I saw that full extended queue.
The one out in front of the guitar.
Front of the guitar open.
So busy day, final day of Rock and Roller Coaster.
And we're back. I've never seen anything like this.
No.
This is like nuts.
I was at the dinosaur closing and it wasn't this bad. Well, the line's gone, so
yeah.
we were the mass.
So I see what they added queues since we've been out here. Yeah, they have.
Yeah, they made it longer. So now they're gonna fill this extended queue out here.
Like I said, I don't think I've ever seen this used. So it looks like what they're doing is they're putting people in the back queue and then putting us out here in waves. It looks like.
Yeah. That's what I was suspecting. They're kind of using that area next to Tower of Terror, excuse me, as a holding area, and then they'll probably let this empty out and then fill this up again.
Yeah. And we still haven't actually gone through the standby entrance yet. So.
Yeah.
This is the line to get into the line.
And we waited in another line to get into the line to get into the line.
All right, walking into G-Force Records.
One last time.
One last time.
I never did get a G-Force Records shirt. And look, fitting enough, there's a Muppets.
Why is there a Muppet Show poster here?
I gotta get a picture
I'm
of that.
shocked.
And if you haven't watched the Muppet Show yet, watch it.
Yes.
So we get more. I don't know if maybe they'll keep it.
Still work? Yeah, I would.
Maybe they'll keep it.
I imagine that.
I'll be very curious how much of the queue they change.
I don't think it's going to be a lot.
I don't think they're going to change a lot either. I'll be very curious to see what they do.
All the way down, guys, all the way forward. All that available space, left and right right now, all the way up.
They're turning the record industry upside down.
Okay.
I tried.
I imagine these are going bye-bye. Placed with Muppet, probably.
Muppet themed posters, yeah.
There was something in here. Behind that wall will be the new pre-show. But we weren't ordered a super stretch.
I forgot my black Les Paul too. to our super stretch. It's almost here. Not
We
yet.
decided for front row for the final time, so why not? Even though we're coaster nerds, we usually do the back row. But
I never had a favorite. I've never had a favorite row on Rock and Roller Coaster. Yeah. Yeah.
you ready to rock?
Ready to rock. Let's go.
There's traffic everywhere you go, but don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
Oh yay! Yes! Yes! Okay, come on. Here we go.
We made it to the concert. There is a little bit of merch left.
I would
Nothing-
not wear that.
Nothing Aerosmith. But there's this. There's this kid's sweater.
Yeah.
The jacket with Mickey on it. Again, none of this stuff is Aerosmith themed.
No.
The Aerosmith stuff has been.
I feel like they phased that out.
Yeah. That's about
the rest
it.
of it's just regular Disney merch.
There's not. I'm not seeing any like last day merchandise. I mean, they didn't do it for dinosaurs, so.
Go. Past the sign pick.
Oh, the autograph picture.
July 29th, 1999. That was a long time ago.
We're getting old.
We're old. So that was our last ride on G-Force Records presents Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith.
Starring Aerosmith. I'm.
Let's put it this way. It's not my favorite coaster. I'm hoping with the Muppets theme, it'll be a little bit more fun.
This-
Aerosmith should have went away about 10 years ago, but
This ride has always held a small little special place in my heart because this is the most intense coaster at Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
I mean, at Disney World.
at Disney World, it
and
still is.
and it's not going anywhere.
No.
So it's hard for me to get bittersweet about Aerosmith going by since they've slowly they got rid of the pre-show and like you saw there hasn't been a whole lot of Aerosmith merchandise. Yeah, the Muppets coming in. I am more excited for the Muppets coming in than
Yes.
Aerosmith leaving. So let's leave it at that.
We're excited because they've been very vague about like as far as the music. It's like, are we just getting straight up like Muppets singing,
Yeah.
or are there going to be some famous artists
Yeah.
performing with the Muppets? Who knows?
I'm hoping something. Barry asked me the same that question. I'm hoping they do something kind of like Country Bear Jamborees. They team up with some musicians,
Yeah.
and they get some fun music
Yeah.
on the ride. So obviously we will bring. Hopefully we'll get
I
more.
tell you, if they did a Sabrina Carpenter Muppets espresso,
Yeah.
that would be like
Yeah. Yeah.
huge. But
Watch the Muppet Show.
Watch the Muppet
It's
Show.
doing really well. Keep it going. We need more Muppet Show
Yes,
episodes.
yes. So
I mean, Everest is up there too, but
Yeah.
this is
this
still.
goes upside down.
Yeah, this is still the only upside down coaster at Walt Disney World?
At Walt Disney World.
Yeah, yeah. So, anyways, guys, we're out of here. Thank you so much for watching. We will obviously keep you.
I'm gonna go take a nap.
I know. We were here early, so it's nap time for Barry and I here.
Yes.
So, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you in the parks.
Bye.